and congratulations to the graduating Pathfinders, the class of 2021. It's hard to believe that your Habib journey is quickly coming to an end. In this session today, we are going to be celebrating the special relationship between Habib students and Habib faculty. In many cases, this is a lifelong relationship, a mentorship, a friendship. I am still in touch with teachers that I had when I was in college. I have students who are in touch with me many decades after I first taught them. And so today and your graduation day is not the ending of the relationship between you and your teachers. It's really the beginning of a relationship that will continue on for the rest of your lives. And it's been a very special journey. And you learned a lot from your faculty mentors. And so this is a great opportunity, this session is a great opportunity to celebrate all of the special relationships that exist between Habib University faculty and students. And once again, congratulations to the class of 2021. And we wish you all the best as you go off on your life journeys. And we hope that you will return to campus many times in the future and share with faculty and other staff at the university all the stories of the great accomplishments that you have achieved as you go on in life. And we hope that in years down the road you will bring your children to Habib campus and show them where you studied and introduce them to your faculty mentors. So once again, all the best and congratulations to everyone.
It goes without saying that a big part of making our university experience amazing has been our professors, but I would like to especially thank our faculty for the care and concern they endlessly give us. There were instances during my 4 years at Habib where I took a class that I wasn't very confident in, like Introduction to Political Science with Dr. Basimo and Jahane or Duwadasif Saab. I had a lot of inhibitions and I was shy away from class discussions out of fear of looking dumb. But time and time again, these wonderful professors put all my worries to rest and made me genuinely enjoy what I was learning. And I'm extremely grateful for that. I really appreciate how tirelessly our faculty work when it comes to our concerns and issues and how seriously our voices are taken. I had the pleasure of working with Dean of Faculty, Dr. Taylor, and Program Director Zain Said when it came to revamping the CNT program, and I cannot thank them enough for the amount of work and effort they have put, and especially how much Zain reaches out to solve our problems. It's truly unprecedented, and I cannot thank you all enough.
Our faculty members have been more than just teachers because they've helped me and guided me through some of the toughest phases of my undergraduate journey, whether it be by offering extra time or help, or by being extremely accommodating and understanding, or just, small tokens of advice and wisdom. Those are the things that I will always carry with me, I will always be grateful for, and I will always remember. Thank you so much.